In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Squarespace accordion block. An accordion block is a great way to organize content like FAQs, details, or long explanations into collapsible sections. It keeps your page clean while still letting visitors access all the information they need. Let's walk through the process step by step, from adding the block to styling it so it fits your website's design. First, head over to your Squarespace home dashboard and log into your site. From the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Website. Go ahead and click that. This will open up your site view where you can edit your pages. Next, click on the Edit button in the top left area of the page. This puts your site into editing mode, and you'll start to see all the different sections highlight when you move your mouse around. Now, navigate to the section of the page where you want to add your accordion block. Hover over that section until you see the option to add content, then click on Add Block. A panel will open with a list of different block types you can insert. From this list, scroll until you find the accordion block and click on it. Squarespace will drop a default accordion onto your page with a few example items. Once the accordion block appears, hover over it and look for the small pen or edit icon. Click that icon to open the accordion settings and content editor. Inside this panel, you'll see individual accordion items. Click on one of the items to start editing it. Here you can change the title and the description. The title is what visitors will see when the accordion is closed, and the description is the content that appears when they expand it. Use clear, concise titles so people immediately understand what each section is about. When you're happy with your content, switch over to the Design tab in the accordion settings. This is where you can customize how the accordion looks and behaves. You can adjust the text styles for both titles and descriptions, control whether the first item is expanded by default, and choose if multiple items can be open at the same time. You'll also see options for dividers and the icon style, including the size, thickness, and placement of the icon, as well as padding around each item. If you'd like, you can add a background to the accordion area, tweak the stroke settings, and fine-tune blend or highlight effects so the block matches your site's overall look. When you're done, simply save your changes and your customized accordion block is ready to go.